Hello, I'm here to talk to you about the Stanbic Purchasing Managers Index, the Stanbic PMI as we like to call it. The Stanbic PMI is a monthly indicator of business conditions and is carried out by surveying 400 of the largest companies in Kenya across various sectors and asking them about business conditions in that month vis-a-vis the month before. How you should understand the reading is any score above 50 indicates an expansion in business conditions, while a score of below 50 indicates a contraction. My name is Kuria Kamau and I'm the Economist here at Stanbic Bank Kenya. If we turn our attention and focus on the month of July, the Stanbic PMI reading came in at 50.6, which was a slight decrease from the 51 witnessed in the month before. While business conditions continue to improve, the pace of the improvement has been slowing for the second consecutive month. There are four things that are worth highlighting out of the latest report. The first is demand and output have improved but at a much slower pace. Domestic demand in particular improved by the second slowest pace since the lifting of the first round of lockdowns in 2020. Export demand also improved but at a much slower pace. The second thing that's worth highlighting is the fact that improvements were witnessed on some sectors while a few declines were witnessed on others. Agriculture, construction, and also services witnessed an improvement, while manufacturing and trade saw a bit of a decline. Third, we saw an increase in input and output costs driven by higher commodity prices, oil being one of them, an increase in freight costs compared to where they were last year, and also an increase in taxes following the reading of the budget last month. And lastly, the 12-month outlook as reported by firms improved to its highest level in the last 5 months, but continues to remain below its long-term average level. When we look forward to the month of August, two things could affect the Stanbic PMI reading. The first is COVID-19 and the government's response. While vaccinations are continuing and more vaccines are expected within the country in the month of August, case numbers have been rising, and if they rise to a point where more public health restrictions could be imposed, that could negatively affect business conditions. Second, on the 20th of August, a court ruling will be made around the BBI. This is likely to affect the 12-month outlook for businesses, depending on the outcome of the ruling. That's it for now. We at Stanbic Bank Kenya will continue to support you and your business with market-leading insights because Kenya is our home and we drive our growth.
It can be